Peace and light. This is Miss Eubanks. I am recording this because a lot of students have not even looked on my teams. All my assignments will be posted on my teams for this short, very short fourth quarter of homeschool learning. So please go on my teams and get your work done. You every week will have 2 assignments minimum. There may be more, but 2 minimum, which will be a standard assignment that is based on if you don't submit, you don't get points. That will be due on, I will give you a week to do that. So if I post it on a Monday, it's due that next Monday. The extra credit assignment is due by the end of that week for you to get the extra credit. Please make sure you do your assignments, darlings. I really want your success. All right, so here we go. Here's the assignment. And boom. All right, so you could pause the video now to just read the directions on your own, or you can continue. A symbol. Symbol is a person, place, thing, or event that has meaning in itself and also stands for something more than itself. The directions. Do not copy the questions. Answer each question using a complete sentence. Cite an actual quote from the song that proves your answer. Explain how this quote answers the answer. Therefore, each answer to each question contains a total of 3 sentences. The first sentence answers the question. The second sentence cites a quote. The third sentence explains how the quote supports your answer. These 3 steps are called ACE. Answer, cite, and explain. I want you to figure out extra credit again, more extra credit possibilities. You take a sheet of paper. On the sheet of paper that you do this assignment, the title of this and everything else is also on the My Team's website. But in case you need it, it's entitled Assignment Number 1, Part 1, Ice Cube's 3 Strikes You're In. That is the title. So here we go. Inside of those directions are 3 errors that I've placed in there. If you figure out those errors, please write them down at the bottom of this assignment. You may type this assignment and take a picture of it, or you can send it to me via email, or you can write this assignment, take a picture of it, and send it to me via email. Again, crystal.eubanks@gmail.com. crystal.eubanks@k12.dc.gov. Apologies. All right, so example question. This is how to do the answer, cite, and explain. Each of your answers has 3 sentences. So, how is Ice Cube using baseball symbolically? Answer. Ice Cube is using baseball to symbolically describe. Notice how I used all the keywords from the question in my answer. Symbolically to describe his struggles in life as a minority. That is disenfranchised and persecuted within American society. That's the answer. You're not done yet. Now you have to cite. The quote that supports this is, "One more strike and I'm through. Bottom of the ninth, swinging for my life." That is a quote from the song. Notice the quote that you are welcome to use that sentence stem. That's a sentence beginner. You're welcome to use that each time you cite a quote. Explanation. The third part of your answer. This quote reveals the fact that African American men are often targeted and wrongly convicted of crimes in order for them to end up permanent slaves in the United States prison industrial complex. So that gives a full answer. Why? I answered the question, I cited a quote to support my answer, and then I explained how does that quote support my answer. Those are the steps you must take. Now let's get to the questions. Question 1, how is Ice Cube using baseball as a symbolic metaphor? So you have to listen to the song as many times as you want to figure these questions out. Number 2, how does the game of baseball symbolize oppression? Number 3, in 3 Strikes You In, which is the song that you listen to, what is the N to which Ice Cube refers? And number 4, in Ice Cube's 3 Strikes You In, baseball is a symbol of something that can be said to be hiding a deeper meaning. Now, excuse me, let me put this back up. There we go. I want you to understand that this is only one assignment. This next week, there will be 2 assignments. One assignment that continues what we started in class, and the second assignment will be something else. And then you'll have an extra credit assignment. So it'll be a 2-part assignment. Now, each week again, you only have 2 complete assignments, but I'm going to separate them into parts next week. So it's up to you how you do it, what days you do it. But I will continue to post, and I will even go as far as going on Instagram next week in order to try to give you an opportunity to actually get a class in, which I really would love to meet with you all. I'll also use the My team's website. I hope that someone watches this in order to be successful. Peace, love, light, and joy to all of you. And here is your first assignment, due next Monday. Today is May 8th. It's due May 11th. Thank you. Peace and light, students. Kwaheri.